Hello and welcome to Homework Help by RJ. Today you are going to listen to my speech on artificial intelligence that I am sure would help you in your morning assembly lecture or in your speech writing competition. So let's begin. Good morning everyone. Have you ever heard of something called artificial intelligence or AI for short? It may sound like a difficult topic, but it's pretty simple. AI is when computers or machines can do things that normally require human intelligence, like seeing, hearing, or even learning. Think about how you can recognize your friends' faces or voices, or how you can learn new things by listening to your teacher. Well, AI can do those things too. But instead of using eyes and ears as we do, machines use special sensors and programs that allow them to sense and understand the world around them. One cool example of AI is something called a smart speaker, like Amazon Echo or Google Home. These devices use AI to listen to your voice and understand what you are saying. They can answer your questions, play your favorite songs, and even control your home's lights and temperature. Another example is self-driving cars. These cars use AI again to see the road and other cars around them and make decisions about when to speed up, slow down, or turn. They can even park themselves. Isn't that amazing? But AI is not just about making cool gadgets. It can also help us solve big problems in the world, like finding new cures for diseases, predicting natural disasters, and even fighting climate change. Of course, AI is not perfect, and sometimes it makes mistakes. That's why we need to be careful and responsible when we use it. We have to make sure that we are using AI to help people and not harm them. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is an amazing technology that helps us do things we never thought possible. It can make our lives easier and solve big problems, but we need to use it responsibly. Who knows what amazing things AI will help us do in the future? Maybe you will be the one to invent the next AI breakthrough. Thanks for watching.